Welcome, beautiful soul. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale fully, releasing any heaviness or tension you've been carrying today. With each breath, allow your body to soften. With each breath, allow your mind to become still. This moment is just for you. A sacred pause to open your heart and align with the connections and opportunities that are waiting to meet you. Now imagine a soft golden light above your head. With each inhale, this light gently flows into you, filling your mind, your chest, your whole body. With each exhale, feel yourself letting go of loneliness, heaviness, or old stories that told you connection wasn't meant for you. Breathe in light. Exhale isolation. Breathe in hope. Exhale doubt. Bring your attention to your heart. Place your hand there if you would like. Feel its steady rhythm, the quiet reminder that you are alive. You are here, and you are ready for connection. See your heart space glowing with warm light, expanding outward, sending a signal into the universe. I am ready to give and receive love. I am open to soul-aligned friendships, partnerships, and opportunities that nourish me. Repeat softly in your mind. I am open. I am worthy. I am ready. Now imagine yourself standing at a crossroads. The old road is behind you, heavy, unclear, perhaps filled with loneliness or struggle. Ahead of you is a wide, bright path on this path, you see yourself surrounded by people who truly see you. Friends who celebrate you, a partner who values you, communities where you feel at home. You see opportunities that spark your creativity and align with your purpose. Notice how your body feels in this vision. Lighter, freer, joyful. Allow yourself to step forward into that vision now. With each step, feel yourself aligning with the frequency of celebration, trust, and soul connection. Repeat after me, silently or aloud. I release isolation and open to connection. I attract relationships that are soul aligned and fulfilling. I welcome opportunities that expand my joy and purpose. I trust the universe to bring me exactly what I need. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale fully, knowing you are already on your way to calling in these aligned connections and opportunities. When you're ready, gently return to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the lightness, hope, and joy of this meditation. Remember, the connections and opportunities you seek are also seeking you. Trust that they are already on their way. Thank you and have a beautiful day.